guys, my name is Isa Haruna. Welcome back to Wazico Graphic GH, and today I'm going to take you through the step-by-step on how to design a simple Bible studies flyer like this one. And I'm going to take you through the step-by-step on it, and I have the resources here. Here's the resource, and I will leave a link in the description for you to download and try your hands on it. And here too is the text effect that I'm going to use. Here's all the information you need to create this flyer, and the main important thing is this Bible studies text effect. I've listed everything here for you to use it in an easier way, so I will not go by it one by one. And unfortunately, I have the PDF file here, and this is only by a password. You can have this only if you watch this video till the end. So if you want to use this PDF, unless you watch to the end, so that this PDF, the password will be appearing in the video twice, and it in 6 words. So let's get into Photoshop. So this is what we are going to create now, and the PDF is also added to the files that you will download. Okay, so first we are going to create a new layer, and I'm using 8 by 8, and as usual the resolution is 300. So I'll click OK, then set my background. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add solid color to it, and here is my solid color. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import in the background. So the first background to import is this. I will drag and drop it inside the background. Okay, so I'll hold here. I'll make sure it's all cover all the page. Okay, something like this. Okay, so I'll rasterize and add layer marks to it. The main reason I'm adding layer marks to it is that in case I have made any changes to this and I want to go back, I can easily go back by turning off the layer marks. So okay, the next background I'm going to bring in is this, and I got a couple of it here, and that's why I'm using this. For those that I use, I have given you the name of the branding that I use. So with this, I'll just draw it top here. Like this. Okay, so I'll confirm it, I'll place it, so rasterize it, and as I said earlier, this is what we are going to use to blend. So here it's written overlay, so I'm going to set this to overlay and add my layer marks, pick my eraser tool and take off here like this. Okay, so the next I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in another this. I'm going to bring this in this background like this, and I'm going to position it here. Okay, something like this is okay. So I right click on it and rasterize it and set this to locomotive. So this, then add layer mask to it and take off this. just take off here. I just need only the Bible and the pastor's hand. So I'll take my time and position it here like this. So the next I'm going to bring is the last two background. Which one? This one will also say overlay. So we are going to add them on like this. Okay, so you take your time and position it. I right click on it to rasterize it, set it overlay, then I'll add a layer mask, pick my brush tool like this. Okay, I'll do something like this. Okay, so I'll set this to 38 and this to opacity to 56. Okay, so this our background that we are going to use for today's flyer. So Control plus J and name here background. Okay guys, this is our background, and the next I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the top to the down. So I'm going to borrow the church name and the logo. So I'm going to borrow this to make the tutorial easy. I'm going to borrow this to here like this. Okay, so Control plus A to select all, then centerize it, then Control plus D to deselect it. So the next thing I'm going to do is pick my present, then I'll turn this to okay, close this. Okay, something like this. Okay, so I'll expand it a little bit like this and set this to okay. Okay. Okay, Control project to deselect it. Okay, guys, for least to forget, I got one background that is the final. You can decide to add it at the latter part of it or this one. So this background, right click on it and select it and set to soft light. Okay, so this is our last background that we want to add it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick my text, select this, then hit and type in Bible studies. Then here I will increase this, okay. So hold control plus Alt to expand it like this. Okay. Okay, so you change this to 0. Okay. Okay, so the next I'm going to do, I'm going to expand it again like this. Okay, so I'll center this then and leave it here. Okay, so the next I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it, go to the blending option, then I've already saved it already, so I'll just go back to it, and everything that I use is on here. So all that have been used, you can have it here, all the size and everything that I came out where I went through or to bring out this text effect. So it's all here. Okay, so I'll click OK. The next I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my Bible, and I go to a couple of Bible, one and this, so you can decide to use which one you prefer. So I prefer this one, so I'm going to use this one. So shift, then reduce the size like this, then I'll bring it here, something like this. Okay, so the next I'm going to do is I'm going to create a shape here. Okay, so here's the shape. And it's a little bit, so I'm going to pick my eraser to do it here and do it here like this. Okay, so the next I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to and pick the eclipse to draw a small something like this. Okay, change this to black like this, and like this. Okay, so right click on it and convert to smart object. You can decide to rasterize it and use the filter, but I prefer using, so you set it to 45 like this. Okay, so as for the smart filter, you can easily turn it off and got your background back. So that's why I like using the smart object, smart filter. So the next I'm going to do is I'm going to place this under it like this. Okay, so I'm just going to use this Control plus A and centerize it like this. So Control plus D to deselect it, and I'm going to go here, Shift plus Alt to expand it. Okay, so I'm going to select this and this and Control plus A and centerize it, then Control plus D to select it, then when it's down, like this. So okay, I'll just do like this. Control plus C to centerize it, then Control plus D to select it. Okay, so that is our. So the next I'm going to do is I'm going to create the other shape here. So just create a line shape here, and I'm going to pick the color from here. Okay, let's see. Okay, here. Okay. So Control plus A to centerize it, then Control plus D to deselect it. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom it for you to see what I'm about to do. Okay, so I'll pick mine again, then draw another just like this. Okay. Control plus A to centerize it, then Control plus D to select it. So I'm going to click here. Okay. From here to here, Control plus J, right click on it and convert to smart object like this. So here to here, Control plus J to group it and call it Bible Studies Test. Okay, so this is what. So the next I'm going to pick here. And type. Okay, so I'm going to do a team. This Control plus J, then Control plus. Okay. There. Okay. Return this to this and this to this. here will be okay. So I'll take this. Okay, so something like this. Okay, but I'm going to change this to sign. Okay, so I'll just include this. And turn this to this, like this. Okay, so these two. Okay. Okay, so this is our team. So the next thing I'm going to pick is I'm going to pick the resource person. Good. Yeah. Control plus. Then paste. So paste. Okay, so I'm going to select this, turn the color to this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is okay. Okay. So Control plus A to centerize it. This. Okay. So Control plus D. Select it. Then here. I'll bring this down. Then I'll pick the line. Draw a nice this line here. Yes. So Control plus J to make a duplicate of it, and okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this. Okay, so I'm going to pick my first text here, copy, take the text, type, paste. Okay. Okay. So just copy, push shift and drag it here. Okay. Okay, so this Control plus C to copy, then okay, so another, okay, this is how you pick. Like this, and here copy, okay, so pick your text, select, then paste. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, which is the last but one, is this. Select all this, Control plus C, Control plus C, then come here, pick the text to hit, paste. Switching this to this, and change here to here, and okay. Okay, so you send this to this. So Control plus A to select it and drop it. So Control plus O to is to back. Control plus A. So Okay guys, so this is how to design a simple Bible studies flyer in Photoshop. So guys, if this video has been a help to you, kindly subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share for others to join, and let us grow this channel together. Thank you. Bye.